Hello friends, welcome to DigiLiterate YouTube channel. So you got traffic coming to your website, blog, social media, or even your Telegram channel. Then you should probably be earning from it. In this video, I'll show you how I use Monetag to monetize all kinds of traffic. Even if you have been rejected by AdSense or you don't have huge numbers, I'll walk you through the setup, show you the best ads format for your social media traffic as well as your website, and give you a full look inside the platform. It's simple, quick to start, and work almost with any niche. So let's get straight to it. Welcome to the dashboard, guys. Now we are on the Monetag website. You can click the link in the description and access this website, by the way. So the first step I would show you is how to create an account and set up everything. And then I will explain all those important things, right? So first step is sign up. Create your account. You can use either Google or you can create using an email ID. I will just choose a Google email ID. Just choose any of the one that you like. And once the account is created, let me just show you how it looks like. So the onboarding steps looks like this, by the way. So in this you have two options. If you are creating an account as a company, you can do that, but if you are individual, you can do that as well. So I'll just choose individual. I'll choose my country of resident as India, and just put in any city that you like. Then you can just put in the contact number that you like, by the way. Over here there are various contact number options, but you can just choose whatever you like. Type in your nickname, and yeah, that's it. Now you need to choose like what type of monetization you want to do. Do you want to monetize the traffic from your website? Do you want to monetize the traffic from your social traffic, or do you want to monetize traffic from your Telegram mini app? So the choice is yours, but do not worry, these are the options, just onboarding step. You can very well change it later on. So I'll just go over here and type in digiliterate.com. That's my website. How did you hear about us? You can type in Google. What other affiliate programs you have joined, you can type in that. You need to accept their terms. Click I'm not robot, and that's it, guys. So now once you create your account, this is how the dashboard will look like. The first step would be to add your website. So this is the dummy website I am using for the demonstration purpose, by the way. You need to use your main website in which you get a traffic, and you need to monetize that, right? So I will just add the website, and the next step will be verification. So you need to prove that you own this website, right? So there will be few methods. Let me show you. Either you can download this WordPress plugin to verify that you own this website, or there are some other options like you need to download this file and upload into your root folder of your site, or you need to insert this code into the header section of your site. So I will use this, but I will be requiring this WordPress plugin. So make sure you install this WordPress plugin onto your website, by the way. So just go and install this WordPress plugin. We will require it in few minutes. So once you are installed this, amazing. So now we need this code, we need to install this code. So just copy, and one more plugin you need to download. Just click on go to the plugin section, add plugin section, and just type in code snippet, by the way. Code snippet, just type in code snippet, and download this plugin, by the way. Install this plugin, and make sure you also activate it. So once you are installed and activated, amazing. So we are halfway there. We copied this code, so we need to go to this you will see both of this, right? You will see this code snippet. Make sure you go and click on add snippet, and in the add snippet section, what you will do is click on add custom snippet, and here what you will do is just type in the code, add title for your snippet. What is the title? Let me just select HTML snippet, and just paste the code that you copied, and just give any tag. I will just give it Monetag main code. That's it. This is just a placeholder, but this code is important. Make sure it's active. The plugin, the code is active, and keep all this setting as it is, and just click on save snippet. So once this is done, you need to go back. You need to go back and check if they have verified your website or not. Just click on verify, and as you can see, our website has been verified. So yeah, wasn't it simple? Amazing. Now what you need to do is, now you can add the first zone. So zone is what? Zone is basically the ads that you want to display on your website. So this we will handle using the plugin that we download, Monetag plugin, right? You can also add this zone from here directly, but I would say go and check the plugin. It's very easy. So what are the different type of zones? So this is multi-tag. That means there are different type of ads, by the way. So that is what I wanted to show you. One is banner type of ad, one is on-click pop under app, one is push notification ad, in-page push notification ad, interstitial ad, vignette ad, direct link ads. So if you want to explore this, you can just go to the Monetag website, and here you can just go here in the ad format and check all this ad. What are smart links? What are pop under ads? So just if you go and click on the pop under ad, you will see what is pop under ad. Pop under ad is basically what you will see the live example over here. You see when a person visits the website, automatically a new tab gets open, right? And an ad is shown in that. So that's pop under ad. What is push notification ad? So when you are browsing a website, suppose, and you get a notification, right? Do you want us to show you notification? And when a user clicks on yes, then his device start getting ads, right? So that's push ads notification. What is vignette banners? So very live example we have over here, right? So what are vignettes banner? So you see a person is browsing and he see a small banner that is an ad, right? What are in push ads? So again, when again a person is browsing and he sees such type of ads, so that's in push ads. So what are interstitial ads? So interstitial ads are basically a full banner ad. So when a person is browsing, he no longer can scroll. He need to click the ad, or he need to close the ad. So that's interstitial ad. So I hope you understood what are different type of ads. And what is multi-tag ad? Multi-tag ad is very simple. Basically we are placing all these different type of ads in one go. So you can choose like what type of ad want. So I would recommend multi-tag because you get different type of ads in your website, so you have more chances of earning money, right? So I'll just click on, you can do from here, but I would recommend you go to this plugin that you just downloaded. That is the one that I showed you. Which one we downloaded this Monetag plugin. Just activate it. It's very simple. Once you activate it, you will see this on the left side. You will see this symbol. Just click on Monetag, and here you need to just plug in. You need to connect this plugin to your Monetag account. So I'll just click on connect option, and you will see our plugin is connected to the main website that we created the account with. So now from here you can just click on one click push notification, or what type of ad you want. So just let me close this. So I'll just suppose you want all type of ads. So you can just go here, ad format, create ad. So automatically the ad will get created, by the way. In page ad, you can just click and create from here. You can see this ad is activated. If you want interstitial ad, just click on create from here. You can see it got created, right? You can go here, give a name, and yeah, click push notification ad. What type of, they have two pricing model, is get paid for each notification shown or get paid for each user subscribing on your website. You can choose, give a name, create new, and your ads will start showing. So yeah, it's that simple, right? So now if you go to the side, you will see that your website is verified, and you just need to refresh it, by the way. And once you refresh, you see all these ads that we created. So once you go to this dummy website that I have, obviously you will be having your main website, you will see that your ads will start showing. If I go to this Homeo Mitra website, you will see that this website in a few minutes will start showing the ads. Right now this is a dummy website, so it doesn't have any content as such, but this is how you do it, right? The ads looks like, you can see this is the ads that is getting shown on my website. So whenever user clicks on these ads or even sees it, you start making money, right? So there are different type of ads the person will see. You see these are the ads that are getting shown. So yeah, that's how it's done. Now you can, once you have this, you can go to your stats, by the way, statistics section, and here you will start seeing stats of your websites. Currently it's not, because just now we launched, and give some time and you'll see how many clicks you are getting, what type of zones are getting how many ads, which country you are getting, what type of ad formats are running on which side. You can add multiple websites of yours here, right? It's that simple, guys. So that's the overall of how the tool works. I hope you understand. By the way, there is also a Telegram mini app. So I am not much into it, but if you have a Telegram, if you are a developer or someone who have many apps and you have a large audience who follow that apps, then you can definitely use this mini app version and show ads to your audience on Telegram. But again, you can also use direct links. So what are direct links? Direct links are basically, you do not need your own website to show this ad. You can just copy and paste this. Like suppose you see, so whenever we go to any website and there are like two buttons over here, right? And it's always confusing which one to click. So this is where you can, in one of its button, you can click paste your direct link. So when a user clicks, he is automatically directed to that ad. So that's how these works. Or you can directly share this, by the way, share this link, or that is the ad link, on your social media platform. So whenever a person clicks on it, he'll see the ad and you will earn. So you do not require any kind of what do you say, a website. You can just start spreading these links where you get traffic on your social media accounts. So that's direct link helpful, right? You can get payment, by the way. The payment is very simple. There are various payment options available: cryptocurrency, PayPal, Screen, Web Money, Pioneer, Wire, Revolt, you name it. But different threshold is there. PayPal I would definitely recommend, because minimum payout is $5 only. But again, if you are going for online banking, then minimum payout is $500. So you need to check out which option is better, and you will see all your earnings in this tab. Right now there is no earnings, but yeah, you will start seeing the ads, because this is my dummy account. And you will see this payment option. Like first you will see this balance in this hold option. There are different levels, by the way: green level, platinum level, based on it. So if you are new, then they will hold your balance for say 1 month, and then they will release, and from it you can request that. So let me show you that level quickly. You can see this level. I am right now in the green level, because my earnings are between 0 to $280. But as your level increase, you get more benefit. Like you will can get priority support line. You can request payment on demand. You can get a personal manager, by the way, if you are like in the platinum level. So yeah, as your level increase, you get more benefits, right? There is also a referral program. You can refer there, generate your referral link and promote. So anyone joining Monetag and earning, you will get a commission, like 5% of your referrals revenue will start gaining, right? There is also an insight tab where you can enhance your knowledge about this product. So I hope you understood. Everything was as simple as that, and you can click on the link in the description, by the way. If you have any doubt, make sure you ask me, and I will solve it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.